Hi, this is Susan. I wanted to share with you this wonderful little box that came from Whitney LaBrie. She sent me Happy Mail, and I've taken the labels off, and I've just cut the tape, but I'm dying to open it. So here we go. Oh, there's some good things in here. I can't wait. Let's see. Look at how cute that is. Isn't that sweet? Happy. Oh, this came at just the perfect kind, too. Oh, goodness. Look at these. These are the most wonderful little boxes. If you're not familiar with them or new, these come from Dollar Tree. They have them in round. Okay, so she made something wonderful. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Oh, I love that. Look at little feet on it. Oh, it came from a doll club, Peninsula Doll Club. A cedar. Oh, it's a chest. Wait a minute. Does it open? Or it's just a simulated chest. But it's so adorable. It looks like a footstool. But they're calling it a cedar chest. So, hey, look at that. That's how you just make it look like a cedar chest. Cool. Really cool. Oh, how beautiful. Look at that. The finish on that is beautiful. It's like a ginger jar. I don't know if it opens, but it's beautiful. Wow. Very pretty. Let's see what else. It says, these items don't come close. Oh, that's not true. Ah! Oh, how cute. Oh, how cute. These are so fun. You know, she has all these earrings. If you haven't seen them, they're hilarious. And she sells them, I think. I believe she sells them online. And on on her site, she's on eBay with her furniture, but she also has these earrings. And these are donuts. Oh my gosh, those are so great. And she even includes the little rubber stoppers to keep them from coming out of your ears. So cute. Look at that. How much fun is that? Thank you, Whitney. Cute, cute. Let's see, there's something else in here. Oh my gosh, there's more things. This is so much fun. Oh my gosh. Oh, lovely. Oh, lovely. Look at those. I've never seen these. They're little hangers that have satin covered hangers. Wow, and they're like self-adhesive. So these are like scrapbooking kind of thing. Wow, that was a good find. Cute. I don't have those, and I have just the right room for those too. You know, I'm doing the ladies' her dressing room, and I wanted to put the corset in there that I made. And so these will be beautiful to hang that corset on. I was going to bring that back to you and show you stuff I'm going to put in it. Oh, this is beautiful. It's a hand-painted porcelain button. Oh, that's beautiful. Button art out of Long Beach, California. Beautiful. You see it? The cherub face. Oh, that's so sweet. So cute. An adorable little face. That's precious. My Valentine wreath has little cherubs on it. How cute. Look at these. Look at these great things she's finding. I haven't combed the craft store's jewelry department in such a while to find these kind of things. You know, if you don't do that, you definitely need to, because they can just put out anything that's miniature now, because miniature has gotten so much more popular. So you want to go and look in the jewelry section. This is a Joanne Fabrics carried bead landing. I hadn't seen these. These are wonderful. Look at that. I guess just heat them up with your heat gun if you want to remove any of the embellishments. But I believe it was, might have been Hobby Lobby, but I thought it was Joanne Fabrics that carried bead landing. Ah, I can use that. I was actually going to make a carrot cake. So, we have stuff to make a carrot cake with. Just needed to, I got it out from my miniature one that I made. I have a bakery that one day I'll get around to showing you. It's set up for, it was like my first Christmas room box. And so I pulled all the things out of it to try to make some clay things. Some cakes and pastries. Oh, this is such pretty paper. It's gold. Makes you think you want to keep it to use it in miniatures. You know, it's so pretty and delicate. Small, you know. It is really pretty. Pretty paper, Whitney. Oh my gosh. She just stacked them in there. There's lots of things. Ah, it's a book cover. Oh, look at this. Oh, yay. Look at this. Book covers. Oh, yay, because I could use these. I cut up magazines. I wish I could reach them right now. But they're in my to-do box. And my tub, I have a to-do tub that's got all the parts of things unmade. And I cut magazines. You know how you cut the binder off the magazine with about 1 inch distance? I cut a whole bunch of those off this one magazine or two, and I needed covers. Yay! She read my mind. These are wonderful. They have Legend Born, Edith, Comfort, Meaning of Life. Oh, I remember that was when I was young. The underneath. Wow, it's on both sides. Wow. Cool. Very cool. Now I'm going to have some good books. Oh, look at this. A pizza? Looks like a pizza. Isn't that cute? And a box. Yeah, it's a pizza and a box. Pizza box. That's adorable. This is Michael's, I believe. And look, it says pizza all on it and has a picture. Oh, if you haven't seen Whitney's, she did this, what do they call it? Baker's rack. Or she replaced her baker's rack with a shelf, or she did a baker's rack, but it has cheeses on it, and that tutorial is great. It's so festive and so interesting. Just, you know, definitely you want to see that. To do the cheeses, because she does all the different kinds of cheeses, and of course the cheese has the outer waxing. I think it's called wax on it. So I definitely want to do cheese. I ordered the wine bottle and glasses to do the cheese, and I'm gonna make a cheese board. Look at these cuties. Now these are like little plastic. They're not buttons though. I'm not sure where she gets this, but they're sweets. Oh, there's pizza. Piece of pizza. But little sweets. Oh, I can put these in my bakery. Looks like another piece of, oh, that's a quiche. Ooh, I love quiche. Don't we all love quiche? Don't have a clue what that one is. It's interesting, but... And then a blueberry cake or cheesecake or... Cute. And you know, I bought some beads to try to make a pie or two. That's cute. Those are cute. Okay, I think I have another thing. Yep. Got another thing here. I just love this paper, Whitney. It's beautiful. It needs to go in my hat boxes or something. It's just so shiny and pretty. Okay, so we're double wrapped. More paper. Okay. Oh, lovely. Let's see which direction it goes. It's a column. Oh, I didn't even see. Wait a minute. I still have two more. Look at this column. Isn't that sweet? You can always use a column. Oh, neat. Neat, neat, neat. Pretty. It's very heavy. It's pewter, I guess. Pewter painted. Wait, here's something. Oh, look at how tiny these are. Oh my gosh, these are so tiny. Oh, these are great for cookies. They are the smallest. Let me put them on this white lid so you can really see them. They are the tiniest. We need to know, Whitney, where did you get these? These cutouts for cookies. These are so tiny. They're just perfect for... Oh my gosh, my bakery. Haven't showed it to y'all. I was going to save till towards Christmas to show, because Mrs. Claus works in the bakery serving up. But look how tiny those are. They're little bitty. Like, I don't know what to compare it to, but here's a pencil. See how small they are? Little angel, little snowman, star, and a gingerbread, and a little stocking. Just so tiny and wonderful. Thank you. Those are great. Okay, we got one more thing. I don't have any of these. Okay, this is Dari. I don't know how you say that one. I was trying to figure it out the other day. Timeless Minis. Fine quality scale miniature reproductions. These are soda cans. Oh, there it is. Diet Pepsi. Well, I drink Diet Pepsi. Oh, not a good thing, but it's my one vice, I guess. I was trying to see, I had bought a mirror backing. When, you know, if you saw my mirror video, the backing, it came from this company. I'm not sure they didn't, like, slow down production or have to redo things, because I went to find the mirrors where to buy the mirror pieces, and I couldn't find them on their site. So they're back up on their site. There's something about that. But if anybody knows where you buy these products anymore, this looks like a new design, you know, for their products. So then maybe they're making miniatures. Oh, these are so cute. I don't have any of these. Dr. Pepper, Fanta, 7-Up, Pepsi, Fanta, and Tab. Oh my gosh. Gosh, Tab goes back so long ago. I don't know, they still make Tab, but they sure make Diet Pepsi. Ah, these are so cute. Thank you, Whitney. This is also wonderful. I can have a soda and some pizza. You're going to make me hungry. And look at that. And I can wear my donut earrings. Oh, people will love that. They will just love that. Oh, it's so cute. Thank you so much, Whitney. It's so sweet of you. I feel like I got a Valentine. Thank you very much. Y'all check back with me. I'm loading another video today. So thank you. Bye.